The best way to control your TCPDump outputs. Hello, I will quickly show you how you can easily control the amount of output that is displayed by your TCPDump. Let me find the right interface to capture. Because I am on Linux, I can use ifconfig to find my interface. This is the interface I'm going to capture. This process is the same if you are using Windows. So just find out what your interface is that you want to capture. Now let us use sudo TCPDump. Now let us specify what interface we want to capture. That's my interface. So you can change it to what your interface is. And now we can count, let's say 100, or let us count only 5 so it doesn't take a lot of time. Now, when you issue this command, it asks you for your credentials. When you issue the credential, it prints the output 5 times. This is how you can easily control how much output you receive.